Chief Imo na Maggi.
And we are good.
Yes.
We are fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I will the PTA executive of this school, Brazil International Academy. I think I'm go to school about the studies.
Because you see when the PT when they vote, and I to vote in a school. Come on, go.
Parents Teachers Association.
We have the teacher told us that day. Didn't it?
He didn't.
Yes, he told us. Oh, now welcome. Oh, anyway, concerning the question where you asked us, we are gradually moving to the permanent site.
Yes.
The Grace Zeal International School. And what is school they can?
Oh,
no school like wasn't it? Best of the best.
Yes.
Since I come here, thou be. I know what we don't know. I got over to pilot. Everything here is moving smoothly.
yes.
All the children well behaved. Teachers well presented.
Yes.
Maybe school where teachers they come naked. Teachers, everybody is covered.
Yes.
See as you did. Because you are showing example to the world. You cannot be preaching positive and you are living negative.
Practice what you preach.
Practice what you preach.
Practicing it.
And what Grace Zeal International School does not do, does not exist.
It was written.
Yes, someone thank you. Wow. My son can never say one thing correct. Wow. You people are doing well.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Children. Okay. Hello. Mama.
Leave that side, sir. Good. Yes, we are doing well.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We want to advise you.
Okay.
You know, you're now in Brazil International Academy. Yes, you are now one of us. So please, as you can see, this school is a school where you will learn quality education. Please, don't bully other students.
By the bully Helu. I want to bully her.
Abu Mbulenu nka ị na-ekwu ka inye ụmụ gị ezi nkuzi na amụta na Brazil. Inye ha ezigbo ntọala.
Jesus ebulela yelo. Haya. Ebulela yelo. Haya. Jesus ebulela yelo. Haya.